3 types of men you should not let go. Finding a good match is a complicated thing, that's why we tell you the 3 types of men you should not let go. If all your friends are sure that you found a great match and do not hesitate to tell you, here we help you confirm that your man is the type you should never let go because like him, it is difficult to find another. In this entry, we will tell you which are the 3 types of men that you should not let go if you find them. If it is your case, resort to these flirty gestures to make him fall in love. In many occasions, choosing a couple becomes a kind of exercise similar to going to the supermarket shopping, where you choose pre-designed products and compare prices and quality of content. However, it is very important to remember that men and women are people. And to choose one, you truly must know him and also know what to expect from a couple, because meeting a man who meets your expectations depends entirely on you to know what you want. Even so, there are signs that there are invaluable types of men, and they are the following, classified by types. These are the types of men you should not let go. 1. Sensitive men. Those who are not afraid to show their feelings and emotions, and who also have the ability to express them, either through words or music. A man who knows how to talk about what he feels is invaluable because there are very few, since most fear opening up sentimentally for fear that they believe he is gay, which obviously does not make sense. 2. Peaceful men. They are the kind of men that does not need violence. They tend to be more conciliatory, and if for some reason they enter into an intense argument, it is because the situation warrants it, but they do not insult or attack more than in self-defense and for the right reason. You will never hear them attacking anyone, even if they do not agree with their way of being or thinking, without first talking. 3. Men who love what they do. Nothing worse than a man full of resentment and frustrated, those who are angry with life because they wanted to be astronauts and not accountants, or the other way around. They will never let you advance towards your dreams. On the other hand, one who found his vocation and feels grateful will impel you to reach yours. To learn more women dating tips, download my book free by clicking the book image on the right or the link in the description below, and please subscribe to this channel and share this video.